Hey, you wanna hear a story? Surely when you saw the thumbnail and the title, you said that's impossible. But let me explain you. In the ancient Greece, the mathematician, astronomer, and geographer Eratosthenes heard rumors about a city where at certain time of the year, around noon, objects cast no shadow and the bottom of the wheels light up. This phenomenon, which we now know as the equinox, piqued his curiosity. So he came up with a great idea, measuring the size of the earth using shadows. And I have no clue about how many grams that was, okay? And yes, the Greeks already knew that the earth is round. You might be wondering how, and it's pretty simple. Dromedaries and trigonometry. And now, I'm not making this up. His idea was simple as it was brilliant. Seeing that the wheels were illuminated only in one city and not in his, he thought this had to do with the angle they were positioned relative to the sun. So, he decided to measure the angle of the shadows in an every city where this phenomenon didn't occur. By having these angles and the distance between the cities, he could use the data, along with trigonometry, to calculate the size of the earth.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, it does, right?
But what are the camels for?
Excellent question, the result of my schizophrenia.
Well, the nerfed camels were for measuring distances. The Greeks used them because they had the peculiar characteristic of having a very uniform pace. For example, if a dromedary covers 1 yard in 1 second, it would cover approximately 10 yards in 10 seconds, 20 yards in 20 seconds, and so on. So depending on how long it took them to reach the other city, they could figure out the distance between both. Eratosthenes then kindly asked some slaves to measure the distance between both cities, and also measure the angle of the shadow of objects around noon. I really wonder what the slaves thought when they were asked to do that, but anyway. The measurements came out to 7.2 degrees and about 5,000 stadiums, which will be roughly 488 miles, 786 kilometers, 363,000 shacks, and I'm not gonna calculate that. He proceeded to make the calculus with the data and got a surprisingly close result. Exactly around 3,887 miles for the radius of the Earth, that it's only about 76 miles off from today's measurements. To me, this isn't just a demonstration of human genius, but one of those examples that will be useful when a student asks, "Teacher, what's the point of learning trigonometry?" And your teacher responds,
And that's the story of my second divorce.
But anyways, now you know another argument to mock a flat earther. Hey!
I want you.
To subscribe to this channel, give me a great like, and have a beautiful day.